Good morning, good morning. It is me, Shakeitha, and I just want to say welcome to my live. I'm just going to wait just a little bit here for Facebook to do its thing. No, I don't actually uh, invite people to my live. So I don't do any shares. And probably here in the near future, I probably will start doing that. But I just kind of want to, just kind of get some engagement going on, just naturally, natural engagement. So, good morning, Joseph. How are you doing? Hope you're having a great day. If you can, for me, put one in the comment section to let me know that you're here live. And today I will be going over what is new. What is the new Facebook algorithm? Excuse me. And however, this is some information that is coming from, what is his name? I forgot. Is by Greg Swan. So, and this been updated back in 2019. I thought it was some really good information. So this information may have changed as far as the algorithm, but this is some tips that you might want to just kind of pay attention to when you are posting on Facebook. And so, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and probably jump right into it because I don't like spending a whole bunch of time. Because, like I say, you lose people's attention probably within the first probably couple of minutes, according to Facebook. At least if you get 3 minutes of the video watch, that's great. For the most part, again, what is the new Facebook algorithm? It says the new Facebook algorithm is a process that ranks all available posts that can display on a user's news feed based on how likely that user will have a positive reaction. So Facebook algorithm for ranking and displaying content on your news feed is based on 4 factors, guys. 4 factors. I'm kind of tangled over here. Give me just a second. Okay, so the first thing is the inventory of all posts available to display. Number 2 is signals that tell Facebook what each post is. And you got number 3, predictions on how you will react to each post. And 4, a final score assigned to the content based on all factors considered. And that's pretty dadgum interesting because when Facebook first came out, you could just post about just about anything and people could see it. But now it is so with all the algorithms, the codes, and everything, when how they can just figure out what a person's going to do, what they've been doing, the whole 9 yards, which is really cool. Wish I was a coder. Tried that, did not work out too well. Good morning, Caroline. Thanks for joining. If you can, for me in the comment section, drop a 1 if you're live. And also for those of you who will be watching on replay, drop a 2. And if I did not state who I am Shakeitha. And again, I thank you for joining me on this morning. And so going back into the new Facebook algorithm, 5 tips to master it in 2019. And this information is coming from May of 2019. So some of this information may have changed. So just kind of getting into the new Facebook algorithm change. Facebook algorithm now prioritizes content post from friends over publishers with a focus on meaningful interactions. So since the data controversy erupted around the social network in the late 2017, Facebook has worked to improve transparency around how to rank content on the newsfeed. So between Facebook's F8 conference, news feeds, webinars, and algorithm presentations, we can now say that Facebook new algorithm is no longer a complete black box. Facebook went public with changes to the new algorithm in their post meaningful interactions updated back in January 2018. So let's dive into the 4 factors that determine your content ranking. And I'm just going to actually go into the 4 factors because this information is like very lengthy. So if you want to go and read this information for yourself, you can actually just look up the the new Facebook algorithm, 5 tips to master it in 2019. So the first thing, as I went over, the first thing is inventory. So inventory represents the total stock of all content available that can display to a user on Facebook's news feed. This includes everything posted from friends and publishers. So the number 2 thing, it was signals. And basically what the signals represent is all the information that Facebook can gather about a piece of content. So signals are the factors that advertisers have control over. So what type of content the publishers, its age, purpose, and more. So you want your content to signal to Facebook that is meaningful and relevant to your target audience. And so the third thing is predictions. Predictions represent the behavior of a user and how likely they are predicted to have a positive interaction with a content piece. So you're looking at, Facebook got a lot of things going on. So if you want to get people to like, share, comment on your posts, these are things that you really have to really pay close attention to. And the third thing is prediction. It represents the behavior of a user and how likely they are predicted. I think I just read that, but anyway, how likely they are predicted to have a positive interaction with your content piece. And number 4, score. And score is the final number assigned to a piece of content based on the likelihood the user will respond positively to it. So we have meaningful interactions are heavily weighted. So as advertisers, the only part of the process that would have control over the signals of your content, signals of our content, So these signals can be divided into 2 categories, passive and active. So passive signals include view time, story type, time posted, and other metrics known non-active metrics. And your active signals include likes, shares, comments, and other active events that prompt engagement. So you should tailor your content to promote positive engagement, or what Facebook has defined as meaningful interactions. And active signals drive meaningful interactions. So comments, replies, likes, and shares. So that's basically, you want to have active signals. So you want to have meaningful content, things that people will interact with, like, comment, reply, and share. So we got 5 best practices for making your content more meaningful. So what are those? So here's just a couple of guidelines. So 1, be a conversation starter. So start conversations. You want your content to start conversations and positive interactions between your followers and others. Don't just focus on consumption. Your content should prompt people to stop, interact, and share with one another. So let's be conversation starters, right? So number 2, focus on your audience. Your content should always be relevant to your core audience, the people you want to build a community around. Products, education, lifestyle, imagery, it should all build on your identity as a brand, answer to a specific audience. Number 3, put ad dollars behind content with organic momentum. So the Facebook algorithm places value on content that performs well organically. Content that already have strong organic traction means lower CPC, which that's, I believe, cost per clicks, which combines with ad dollars can create a snowball effect for your content. Conversely, Conversely, don't waste ad dollars behind poor performing organic content. It will have higher click CPC, cost per clicks, and cost you more while offering less in return. So don't do it. And number 4, avoid clickbait. Clickbait. Remember, all of those like if and share if your post. So basically, don't say like if you. I mean, if you want something. How can you say? If you want this, you gotta like, comment, and share, and I'll give you the information. So no, don't do that. So this is considered engaging baiting. It doesn't add value or interaction for users. Good morning. Yeah, actually, sold out. I am actually going to get something to fix the echo. So, and it could be. Give me just a second. And thank you for letting me know that. Appreciate it. Is that working any better? Because I do have another microphone plugged in. I forgot to unplug it. Are you? Well, in any event, good morning, Katrina, Catherine. Sorry, messed up your name. Thanks for joining. If you would for me. Thanks, Mike. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it. So, basically, almost done with this live. Sorry, guys. So, in any event, was talking about avoiding clickbait. So, remember all those like if and share if you are posts. So, this is considered engagement baiting. It does not add value or interaction for users. So stay away from asking people to please comment, like, and share. Your content should inspire them to engage without having to ask. And there's a Sephora's example of promoting discussions around healthy skincare for conversation starters done right. What values or issues is your brand building conversation around? So number 5, track your content performance. After you publish your content, remember to use Facebook Insight to track the performance of your content. Keep track of how your different content pieces are performing engagement-wise. Learn from your insights data, then optimize from there. And I wish I had like my screen share on here, and I can actually kind of show you the actual what the insight looks like on your page. So, why should advertisers care? Advertisers look to become more effective in their content strategy, both paid and organic. Stand to benefit from a basic understanding of the algorithm. If you're aiming to reach Facebook 2.2 billion plus active users, you are up against some steep competition content-wise. So 4.75 billion pieces of content shares daily, 300 plus million photo uploads daily. You got 510,000 comments every 60 seconds, and 293,000 statuses every 60 seconds. That is a lot of posting. So basically, guys, Facebook is a really good place to advertise if you know how to. I don't want to say beat the algorithm, but play the algorithm game, and you can pretty much get your business up, your your business product out, whatever you are selling, you can get it out if you play the game, play the algorithm game, basically. And so we have the final takeaway is that the new Facebook algorithm is sophisticated and no amount of information is going to help you hack it. Okay, so you can't hack it because I did learn that every time that an update takes place on your phone with your app, that means the algorithm actually is being updated as well. So you just kind of got to stay up to date with Facebook algorithm, and like I said, play the Facebook algorithm game. So the information we do know, however, is just enough for advertisers to build a better content strategy and improve visibility on the newsfeed. So keep your content meaningful by being a conversation starter, an advocate for your audience, and boosting your best performing organic content. And so hopefully, guys, I hope this was informational and that you can use it to build your business, build your brand, or sell your product or service, whatever that you're trying to do on Facebook to get people to see your content. So again, I do appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching this live video. And again, if you can for me, put one in the live comments. Put one for live in the comment section, and two if you're watching on the replay. Again, I thank you again for tuning in. And again, as always, I'm Shakeitha Lewis Patterson, and God's having this in your life. I love you, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great and wonderful day.